Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I apologize, it's a little windy today, but it's a beautiful day in Southwest Florida. So we went to our first 4-H event last night.
In the industry, we need pounds of red meat in a box. You know, so you got to look at how many pounds of red meat's going to be in the box. That was going to be closer to 800.
Got to see our friend Christopher win. His steer took first place. Very proud of him. And thank you to Christopher for inviting us. Christopher Campbell. What a great young man. This kid is very dialed in, very polite. Just his parents, the Campbells, have done a phenomenal job. Say hi. Say hi, Williams family. The pups. So everybody's getting adjusted since we lost Snowball. Olive Oil's been a little not sure about things, but we got to keep trucking ahead, you know? So today's plan is to lay some more fence. We got to do some more fence work. We're going to do this area, or at least attempt to. And then on Monday, John DeLashman is bringing me 2 loads of dirt, which I'm pretty excited about. It's always good to have dirt. We're in a low area, and during rain season, we get plenty of water. One of the things we're working on right now and we're praying on and budgeting is for a barn, which the barn we want to put close to the house. So I want to put it like right here. I want to do a 30 by 40 with one awning side or lean side, I guess they call it, for the tractor and other things. Lots of projects, lots of things going on. Not sure which way life's going to take us. Yeah. I think by most people, like, I don't know, so I'm going to go off on a tangent here, but 44, you think you're like, oh, you got your whole career, your whole life set up, and no clue. I'm very blessed to have a career now, don't get me wrong, which is awesome. But at the same time, it's not, I don't know how long it's gonna last. They got me starting a Jeep YouTube channel. So you'll see me working on another channel called Dirty Off-Road. And I've made 5 videos so far. They're okay. I'd say they're great. I'd say they're okay. But we're living for today. Focused on now, because tomorrow's not promised. Okay, let's get started. Let me talk about another problem we're having now. So water for all these guys is all the way up there. Don't know how we're gonna solve that problem. I kind of do, but it's an investment. Because man, lugging these buckets back and forth kind of sucks. Just getting home, and looks like the goats got into all of the hay that we had stored up. So, wow, that sucks. Full transparency, the other day I got a little caught up in working and kind of didn't film. So I wanted to just update you guys real quick. Say hi. Instead of building out the goat pen, I needed to get the chicken pen done first. So here it is. Let me give you a quick tour. So we're building the chicken pen inside of what's going to be the goat pen. So this way the goats can't get to the duck or chicken or turkey food, and vice versa. Well, the ducks don't really, come on. Look, we even put in a real gate. Nice gate. The truth is the ducks and chickens don't care about the goats' food. But man, every other animal wants their food. So we got the first step done. Next step is gonna be the goat area. But that's not even 100% true. John brought, actually, let me just show you. John brought a couple loads of dirt, so I got about a half load here dumped off. This is gonna be the donkey area next to the cow area. Now the goal is the donkeys will be here, cows will be there, goats, and so on and so forth. When it comes to feeding time and just animal management, it's just so much easier. Like right now, he is being a pain in my butt because he doesn't want to go to his house, which is all the way up front. And I need people to help me carry that big ass thing I built up there to bring it all the way back here to set up the new area. One of the other things I mentioned is water and how we're going to get water back there. And for now, there's $150 an industrial hose, but I got that really nice splitter. So one goes up front, the other one goes all the way back there, and it's working right now. Oh, you know, we got the golf cart working, kind of. And what I mean by kind of is I've ordered multiple speed controllers. The one that's in there now, the only way it works is if you have the pedal all the way down, and as you come up, it starts to go slow, and the higher the pedal, the faster it goes. I ordered a different controller with a different ohm rating, and that controller just didn't work at all. So, the original controller on this 1980s cart is a, whoops, broken one. It's a Curtis 1204-017, 24 to 36 volts. But I have a 48 volt setup. When I originally bought the cart, it was running on 48 volt battery. Or at least total of 48 volts, I should say. And that's kind of where I'm at. One thing I forgot to mention, if it wasn't for my buddy Eric, I would have lit this golf cart on fire in the middle of my damn driveway. This thing has been a headache. I had another guy that I was introduced to a while back. He just ghosted me on fixing the cart. So thank God for my buddy Eric. Love you, Eric. Thank you so much for all your help. Other than that, check back in soon, right? Thanks for watching. I love you. See you in the next one.